Hey, how'd it go?
Could have been better.
No, what happened?
Yeah. Well, when we turned up the boost, it was like we were hitting a wall. So the map sensor broke.
The map sensor.
Yeah. This little thingy that gives big headaches.
No way.
Yeah.
And that ruined the entire day?
Yeah. Yeah. Without that, we can't do a proper dyno. It measures the actual pressure, the boost pressure. You tell the computer to do like 1 bar of boost, and that thing tells you the actual boost. If those two don't comply with each other, then the car doesn't run properly.
So we need a new sensor.
We definitely need a new sensor. To make a dyno more reliable and the car more reliable, I was thinking about maybe getting a standalone ECU. Yeah, if you just can do that, I'm spending money.
I would propose, so in the meantime, we have a lot of stuff in the garage for the TT.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's get back to the TT. And if any of you guys watching have any recommendations about a brain transplant,
Calling on our subscribers. Okay. It feels like this episode is going to be absolute chaos and mayhem. Let's get out of here. Lost control.
how is it?
I have more space. The knees. And grip. What? 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 I'm sorry.
How's the life of a mechanic?
I'm hanging in there. Working the grind. day and night. Right?
Yeah, I get it.
We found a discrepancy while installing the new wheel hub. The old one doesn't have this tiny cylinder in there, and the new one actually does. So now what we need to do is we need to get another piece of a car. So we're shopping for one right now, and then we can get back to business. We got the part.
I got the coffee.
It's Wednesday night. Here we are again. Working like mechanics in the garage. Maybe by hand. Check it. Stop. We already knew that the TT was running too low, but looking at it closer with the wheels off, we see that she was running extremely low, as you can tell from these scratches over here. So we definitely need to adjust the suspension before we put the wheels back on and give her a test run.
Tool broke.
No.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Oh, we jinxed it. We totally said this morning, let's hope this tiny fix actually goes smoothly.
Yeah, we did say that. Well, the lower one is loose.
Yeah.
But the top one, it's completely stuck. So I think we're going to replace the complete suspension.
This is going to be quite the budget.
Not so budget built anymore.
It's not so...
Just throw new parts in it.
We're breaking the budget. Swapped out old suspension for new suspension, and I can't believe it's almost 2 months later and we can finally put the wheels back on.
Do your thing.
Woohoo! It looks way better, I think.
Oh, that's way better.
Wait. I can't wait to do this. Let's cross. Let's cross.
Finally, yeah.
Where's the marker? Where is the marker? It's probably dried up. Okay. Brand new suspension.
Anything else?
I was happy for a moment, and then I got very demotivated with all the things that have not been crossed off yet. But at least we can roll around the garage. wicked. I can't believe the sound she makes. She really wants to go. After all those months of standing on the lift in the garage, I cannot wait for a test ride. Let's take her around the block just to see how she goes at 50 kilometers an hour. And after that, I think that she might be ready for a tune.
Yeah, actually, I already prepared a tune with AI. And
Oh,
I
you
was wondering if I can test it on your car.
Okay, we can put yours and Gemini's tune on my car, but then let's go to the tuner and have it verified though before we actually stress her out. Okay.
Deal.
Deal. Okay, deal. So for now, let's go for a spin around the block. Let's go.